Hey y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. This unit is from Nadula hair. This is their short bob and it's their 10A virgin hair, and I think it's in a natural black color, but they sent me some lashes, a wig cap, and they also sent a headband to go with it. This is just me showing you the construction of the wig. I like to show the construction of the wig because if you plan on purchasing it, you can know what to expect. So this is just me trying it on to see what I have to do to it. And yeah, so I love this unit so much. The density is the same all throughout the wig. The density, I believe, is 150 or 180. And this is me tying the hair off so I can cut the lace. So this is me just cutting the lace, and whenever I try to cut the lace on camera, I always end up cutting a little bit too much of the hair. So I don't think I'll be cutting it. See, I'm like, oh my gosh, see? So I probably will not be cutting the lace on camera anymore. But what I did do is I went in with the Got To Be freeze spray, and I went in with the hot comb just to lay it down, because y'all see one side is a little bit more raised. It kind of got like a hump. So I wanted to try to flatten it as much as possible. Oh, I'm getting tongue twisted. But I do have a wax stick coming. I got a wax stick coming and it's on the way, so I can have my wigs laying as flat as possible. And I usually do that with spritz too. Spritz will get it to lay flat too, but I just need that wax stick. So once I went in with the hot comb, I did take my flat irons and I went in to kind of like curl it a little bit. But yeah, y'all, this wig is popping. It is so cute. I love the color. It didn't have a weird smell or nothing like that. And I also went in with a little bit of concealer to make the part look a little bit more natural. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I probably won't be doing wig videos for a while. I'm going to venture back into my crochet and give my edges a break, because when I took my last wig off, my head was looking low-key bald. So I'm like, I gotta take a break. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what y'all think of this wig in the comments.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey you guys, so what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. So this is the finished look of this bob, y'all. If you've been watching my videos, y'all know I have a thing for bob wigs. I love bob wigs so much. So I purchased this off of Amazon. This is from Nadula hair, and it comes packaged like this, y'all. Their packaging is so cute. Their packaging is so freaking cute. So I'll have all the information linked below, but I feel like this is probably the darkest hair I've worn. This is definitely like a 1, maybe 1B.
So y'all, my kids are being so loud right now. Like, they should already know, like, when I come downstairs to shh. But so they sent a wig cap, which I'll be using in the future, a headband, and also some lashes, which are a little bit too long for my liking. I don't want to fly away today, but so yeah. But I've been getting some messages about my mental health video, and I'm doing much better, but it's still an up and down thing. But I'm doing good. I'm in therapy and I'm doing much better. So this will go good today. This is cute. It's cute. But yeah, I like the hair. I did not glue this down or secure it, but what I need to do is invest in a wax stick so it can lay flatter, because I was trying to go in with the hot comb. That was not working. And then I went in, I usually take some spritz. I don't know where my spritz is at. Then I went in with this to try to lay it flat. That was not working. So I need to invest in a wax stick so I can just have my hair lay down as flat as possible, because underneath these I do have some French braids, so it should be laying flat, but I just need that wax stick. But this is where the hair comes, and I just flat ironed it a little bit just to, you know, straighten it out. But that's what it looks like, and it's super cute. It is so cute. And the density, like if y'all saw the other bob wig I did, the density was but the density of this one is so much better. Like, it looks even, like it's the same all throughout the hair, and I really like that a lot. So yeah, and that's what the hair looks like up close. I have all the information down in the description box if y'all are interested in checking it out. But yeah, you guys, this is cute. I love bob wigs. Like, perfect fall hair, perfect summer hair too. If you don't like all that hair on your back in the summer, this is good for it too. But unfortunately, summer's over with. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment. Y'all need to subscribe if you not subscribed. Go ahead, check out my other videos. I have a lot of other videos that I need to edit and schedule. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We at 5K. Yes, thank you so much for helping me reach 5K. Let's try to get to 6K next year. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.